See, they're going mental this morning. Proper mental. I can see you. I can see you. Don't pretend you didn't have nothing to do with that. Where are you? You pair of tits. Tit. Tit. I'll skip it in. You'll have to deal with it when you get home. I don't know what to do with it. Where was it? Was it there? Or was it up there? I got a feeling it was down there. So they bundled into that and sent it flying. And I think that was you. But then, you were probably being chased by a little midget man, weren't you, pussy? Love you, darling. Sorry about that. Bye.